Hi everyone, today we're doing a new video. I've changed the layout of the farm, so the main farm, so I'm just give you a wee tour around it. So yeah, it's looking nice, I have to say. So starting over here, we've got a wee road, and then we've got a little shed here, the big homemade loader there, the crone rake, wee sprayer behind it, trailer that we use for carting out dung. So then in the field here, we've got the big Claas Zerion 5000 on the lambkin front press and the lambkin drill. That's a massive outfit there, very expensive but looking nice. Same field, we've got a old Massey 135, just about to start rolling it. Got a nice set of rollers there as well, but yeah, it's an old tractor, reliable still, but getting old. Just behind that, we've got a wee shed. We've got the lambkin, I think it's a lambkin grubber cultivator in there, as well as the bale wrapper. Got a set of coon discs, and then we've got the big Claas forager in here, the 980 I think it is Jaguar. That's a big bit of kit. Also got the Claas triple mowers there. Got a shed full of bales there as well. So yeah, pretty full that shed. Just beside it, we've got some windmills. They're called bales and crates and stuff. But then just over, we've got the Jarf Motors. It's a car dealership. Also got a few lorries, but it's a busy place. Lots of nice cars, to be honest. Nice Ferrari there. That's a nice one. There's also some trucks around the back. But yeah, nice amount of stuff in there. Moving on, we've got some, I think it's AF construction. So they've got a lot of nice kit. Massive lorry, a huge crane as well. Also got a nice big cat bulldozer. So it's a JCB 4CX digger. A massive cat one here. I think it's a 12 tonner. It's huge, but it only comes out for the big jobs. But yeah, massive though. Moving on, just behind me, there's a sheep getting just put out into a new field, so they look happy enough. They're just about to get settled in. A wee pond over there just to give them a drink, so yeah, they'll be happy there. It's quite a big field for them. Moving on to the next field, we've got the nice New Holland T8040, just with the lambkin plough, just doing a bit of ploughing. So ploughing in some grass, just wasn't very good, it's just starting to go, so plough it and resow it I think, but yeah, nice setup there as well. Over here we've got a big field here, I think it's got barley in it just now. A bit of it's been combined, it just got a bit wet, so I had to leave it. The annoying bit at this end, the cornery bit's done, so just the straight bit left. It won't take that long. Over here we've got another field. I think this one's actually wheat in here. New on combine there with a few bales, so been baled up. Nice combine though. CR90. What was it? A 9.90 I think it is. So it's a nice combine. 35-foot headers. It's a huge thing, but yeah, really nice combine. Just got too wet in there the last time as well, but nice enough though. Over here we've got another massive grass field. I think this is what, 30 acres, maybe 35, but it's about, what, 10 cows or something. They've got a lot of space, but nice cows. Just at the side of the shed we've got a JCB loader. It's a 419S. That's a nice bit of kit. Yeah, it's very nice. Right, moving on to the main yard now though. We've got the nice big shed, grain storage in the far left, but in here we've got the big New Holland baler, as well as a massive New Holland T9. It's a big tractor. We've got the grape for the JCB Holdall shovel, and we've got another combine. It's needing a bit of repair still, so it's just sitting in there parked up. But yeah, nice kit in there. Moving on just to the side of the shed, got the nice Massey 7624 with a huge Joskin trailer on the back. It's ready in case we decide to go grass or maize or something. And then on the bale trailer we've got a New Holland T7 315, I think it is. That's a big tractor as well. Nice outfits there. And then just parked up here, we've got another New Holland T8040, I think it is. So that's looking nice, just sitting there. Behind it, there's a big silage pit. So it's a big homemade silage pit, I think it actually. But yeah, nice. I thought it was gonna be too expensive buying one someone else would come and put in, but it's just said to make our own one. So it's big enough though, and it does the job, so not complaining. Side of it, there's a little 5-ton trailer or something, not huge, just useful for carting about stuff. And we've got a loader for tractor and just to keep it older attachments for the Manitou and things. So yeah, nice enough. Got a Claas Roland 250 cut there. It's quite nice baler, pretty new as well. I think it's only a year old, so not done many bales, but very reliable. Another Massey 7624 there. Nice tractor as well. And it's just sitting in front of the bale shed. We've got full of silage bales just now. And then there's also a wee Valmet Valtra 805, so nice tractor just for on the bale spikes on the back of it, just our bale lifter bringing in the silage, so nice enough tractor, handy. The Manitou's out in the local workshop dealership, just getting a wee service. So yeah, nice layout though, I think. If you've got any suggestions, please comment down below. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.